I have 24 hours to make a full TV commercial with AI. I've recently been made head of YouTube here at Magnific, but the problem is, I haven't made a single video. That changes now. It is 6:14 p.m. here on a Thursday in the office, and I'm giving myself 24 hours to make one TV-grade commercial, completely with AI. Before generating anything, my first instinct is just screaming at me to write a story and at least get some idea out on a piece of paper. I'm gonna make a TV commercial about Magnific. Let's get meta. Since we now have the core idea, I'm chatting with Claude and writing out the entire script. Feel free to use pure AI or write it out entirely on your own. Personally, I like to do a mix. Now that the script is ready, it's time to make a character sheet. I'm gonna go ahead and drag in some photos that I have of myself into Magnific Spaces. Generate me a character sheet using ChatGPT Image 2.0 in 16:9 in the highest quality possible. This should capture this character from a few different facial angles and also show a full body shot. Okay, looks like they're starting to come in now. I like this one. I think this is the one I want to go with. At this point, normally I would just create my scenes. However, for this video, it's kind of special. Each clip is going to have a completely different scene to it. So what I'm going to do now instead is just generate the voiceover, the music, and then I'll show you the scenes only at the end. Now that we gave the agent all the information necessary, it's gonna go ahead and start creating the voice nodes. If you couldn't tell, I'm a picky person, so what you're seeing me do here is I'm going through each of the male voices and I'm looking for like a deep, resonant narrator.
Every idea you've ever had has always been real.
Oh yeah, that's the one. It's the next morning. I've got my voiceover, my script within the voiceover, and my character sheet. What I'm gonna do now is create a music node to get my background music. I gave Claude my entire script, and then I told to give me a music prompt based off the vibe of this script. Could be too slow. I feel like that was a little slow. I think the problem with these prompts is that it says no climax at the end, but I'm really looking for a climax in these videos. Add a climactic ending to all of these 3 music nodes. I like how it was a build-up, but the thing is, that was like too exciting. That was like Indiana Jones running away from a massive boulder. That was it. I don't even think I want to listen to the other one. Now they have my script, my voice over the script, the emotional background music, and my character sheet. What I'm gonna do now is take all of the notes that I took about this video, give it to Claude, and tell it to make me a style of prompt that will be repeated throughout every single scene that I generate. That way, they'll all look visually consistent. Now they have my script, the voiceover for the script, a bunch of scenes, and the background music. What I'm gonna do now is take those scenes that are already 480p, I'm gonna put them on my timeline and line them up how I kind of want them, and then I'm gonna go back and regenerate all of them in the highest quality possible. It has officially been 24 hours. Let's see what I came up with.
Every idea you've ever had has always been real. Somewhere. The question was always, how do you make it real? For most of human history, the tools didn't exist. Not anymore. What you imagine made real. Magnific.
I feel like I made 2 mistakes in this entire process. The first is that the music and script were both way too short. I made them 30 seconds each, and then with editing, the entire video ended up being only 26 seconds. And for 24 hours, I feel like I could have done more. The problem is that if I kept adding more clips, then the entire commercial just felt rushed. I really wanted to do a sequence of me holding a glowing seashell underwater, looking at a massive underwater cathedral. I didn't get to include it because my 30 seconds were just too short. The second big mistake I made was not starting off with a style prompt. When I first started generating the videos, it didn't go together and I couldn't put my finger on why. After going back and forth with Claude, we eventually came to the conclusion that it was the color grading and the lighting that were both messing it up. So in response, I worked with Claude to come up with a style guide, pretty much a short paragraph that I would tell Claude to include in every video prompt. This pretty much locked in the lens that was used, the style of video, the lighting, and the coloring, so it was all visually consistent. Thank you so much for watching. I included all the prompts in the description below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'll answer them as best I can.